Welcome to the 2021 Ford Ranger FX4 Max. This is basically a narrow body or regular body version of the Ranger Raptor. It features a similar rough and ready look, complete with a big macho front grille with Ford lettering across the middle, lots of dark grey trimmings, including for the window surrounds, wheel arch mouldings and side mirrors, and there's a full-length matte black sports bar in the back. If you're an adventurous, outdoorsy type, then this is right down your alley. Payload capacity is just under 1 tonne, and this example shows off the robust tub liner, along with the racy FX4 Max decal set, which costs an extra $750. Like the Ranger Raptor, this gets the full bar jar rally-like spec Fox Racing suspension setup. It consists of 2-inch monotube Fox shocks front and rear with a remote reservoir for the rear. There's also super chunky BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres measuring 265 by 70, mounted on special 17-inch alloy wheels. These are the same tyres fitted to the Ranger Raptor. Underneath, there's some protection plates, and the front end features tuned coil springs. The uprated suspension and big tyres help to lift outright ground clearance by 19mm over the XLT variant, so it now offers 256mm of clearance. All of this has been tested and tuned in Australia, including at Ford's Yuyangs Proving Ground. Inside, we think the decor is starting to age a bit now. Some of the chrome trimmings look a bit cheap and old, and the switchgear can seem a bit crude compared with some of the more modern rivals. Fortunately, there is an all-new model just around the corner. The FX4 Max gets unique sporty seats with Miko suede inserts and contrast stitching. We quite like the driving position as you can sit fairly low, and the steering column offers both reach and height adjustment. Rear passengers are treated to similar trim for the seats, and there is a flip-down armrest, charging ports, and very good legroom. It's a shame there are no climate vents though. We've tested this relatively new 2-litre turbo diesel engine before. However, during this test we recorded some surprisingly quick times, quicker than the wild track we last tested. Maybe the big tyres here provide longer gearing. It seems the FX4 is slightly lighter than the wild track as well. This is what it goes like.